I would urge, the Masandawana, South Africa as a whole, to get behind us. Not only the Yellow Nation. We need each and every one. Let us do it for South Africa. Let us do it for South African football, because we're up there now with the best.
Ronwen Williams has issued a plea to South African football supporters to put club loyalties aside and back Mamelodi Sundowns as they take on Esperanza in the second leg of the CAF Champions League semi-final. Ronwen Williams will be looking to overturn a 1-0 defeat when they host Tunisian giants Esperanza at Loftus Versfeld Stadium on Friday evening. Speaking at the pre-match press conference ahead of the tie, Williams urged South Africa football fanatics to throw their support behind the Brazilians and said, "I would urge Masandawana, South Africa as a whole, to get behind us. Not only the Yellow Nation, we need everyone. Let us do it for the South Africa. Let us do it for the South African football, because we are up there now with the best. So let's go all the way with the support. It's only going to uplift South African football like we have done it at AFCON for Bafana Bafana. We have set the bar very high. So let's South Africa as a whole get behind Sundowns. Just for one day, if you can put your personal clubs aside, just get behind the team. We need you." We are not only doing it for ourselves, we are doing it for the next generation and the generations to come. Sundowns are in search of their first Champions League trophy since 2016 under Pitso Mosamane. Last season, they were knocked out in the semi-final stage via the away goal rule by Wydad Casablanca. The kickoff for Friday's match is scheduled for 8 o'clock p.m.
Like we've done at AFCON, we've set the bar very high. So let South Africa as a whole get behind Sundowns for one day. If you can put your personal clubs aside, just get behind the team, support us. We need you. We're not only doing it for ourselves, we're doing it for the next generation and the generations to come.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.